If you've been seeing the Siren Eyes makeup trend all over your TikTok or your Instagram, we are here to discuss it, what it is, and I'm gonna show you a tutorial that I posted on my TikTok, and it's good even if you have hooded eyes. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name's Elena. I'm an esthetician and a national on-air beauty expert. Please make sure you subscribe if you like beauty and skincare content. All you have to do is hit that little bell and you'll get notified when I post new videos. And every Friday, I post a 10-minute makeup routine that anybody can do. So without further ado, let's get into Siren Eyes and what exactly are they? Siren Eyes have a lot of depth and a lot of drama to them. It's kind of a cross between a cat eye and a smoky eye. When you do a Siren Eye, you're going to have a seductive, captivating, sexy, sultry glare that no man will be able to deny. Now, this trend does work on every eye shape. However, if you do have an almond-shaped eye already, which I do, it does tend to work a little bit easier. I do have a hooded eye, and it can get tricky, but don't worry, I gotcha. For this look, you're going to need a few products, and you probably have most of these at home. You're going to need a black, either pencil eyeliner, felt tip liquid liner, which is what I used in the video I'm going to post soon, or a liquid brush liner. It's up to you, but make sure it's long lasting, and if it's not, you're going to want some loose, translucent setting powder to set it, otherwise it can break up on you during the day. You're also gonna need some neutral beige and brown eyeshadows to make it look very sultry and give it some depth. A beautiful falsies mascara, some brown and black eyeliner, and I like to do a little bit of a natural or champagne little liner in the center to open up that eye. Let's take a look at some examples of the sultry Siren Eye on different eye shapes so that you can get a better idea of what you can do for yourself. There's not just one way to do it because everybody's eyes are different, everybody's eye color is different. So let's start with this one right here. This is definitely for those who want that drama. This is a trend that Bella Hadid swears by, and it looks amazing on her, but I'm sure she had a makeup artist do this. But you can definitely play with makeup and try this one out. As you can see, she smoked out and did almost like a smoky wing, and she did use a lot of shimmery shadow in the center. And I think adding a little pop of shimmer is really pretty. In my technique, I did add some shimmer. Zendaya is gorgeous and she has a much smaller eye shape, and look at how her gorgeous Siren Eyes turned out. I think this look is spectacular. See how it's like a cat eye with a little bit of smoked outness, but it just looks sultry and luscious and really inviting and definitely seductive. This for me is more attainable. It's one of my favorite looks, and it's something that I did similar, except I winged it out a little bit more, but Megan Fox already has foxy eyes, but she does that look really well. I mean, her eyes have always been very seductive, but as you can see, she used a lot of neutral shadows. It's all about that lash, which in my video, you'll see how I kind of use this little technique to give you more of a sultry eye and get that outer corner lash to kind of curl and wing outwards. That gives you an even more sultry look. Without further ado, let's roll that footage and take a look at my technique on a Siren Eye, and let me know if you're gonna try this at home. Am I the only one who just keeps seeing Siren Eyes all over and I'm like, yes, yes, give me more? Well, guess what? I'm going to show you how to get the Siren Eye look if you have hooded eyes. And at the end, I'm going to show you a mascara hack that's going to give you this beautiful, sexy, sultry Siren Eye.
Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
right, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below if any of this was fun and if you're gonna try this at home. I also listed all the products I used in the description box, and I will see you next time.